Hey little yogis, I'm so happy you're here. Roll out your mat, take a deep breath in and out. Let's get started. Stand tall with your feet grounded and your shoulders relaxed as you take slow deep breaths and feel calm, strong and ready for the day. Bend your knees gently and reach your arms overhead, while breathing steadily and feeling strength build throughout your body. Step 1 foot forward, lift your arms high and breathe deeply as you feel powerful, balanced, and focused. Open your arms wide, bend your front knee and gaze forward, while calm breathing helps you feel steady and confident. Stretch one hand toward your leg and the other toward the sky while taking smooth breaths and opening your whole body. Move slowly between arching and rounding your back, while matching each movement with your breath and releasing tension. Lift your chest gently from the floor and breathe deeply as your heart opens and your body feels energized. Raise your hips toward the ceiling and take long, steady breaths while strengthening your body and opening your chest. Rest your body comfortably on the mat and breathe slowly as your muscles relax and your mind becomes peaceful. Balance on one leg and focus on a steady point while breathing calmly and feeling centered and strong. Press your forearms into the mat and lift your hips high while breathing deeply and stretching your shoulders and back. Balance on your sitting bones, with your legs lifted, and breathe steadily as your core grows stronger. Gently out your back and open your chest while taking slow breaths and feeling refreshed and confident. Fold forward over your front leg and breathe deeply as your hips relax and stress slowly melts away. Lift your chest upward and relax your neck, while breathing fully and feeling open, awake, and refreshed. Lower into a squat with your chest lifted, and breathe calmly as your hips loosen and your body feels balanced. Fold forward from your hips and let your head relax, while deep breathing helps release tension from your body. Rest on your forearms and lift your chest gently while breathing smoothly and feeling supported and relaxed. Hold your feet softly and rock gently from side to side, while calm breathing helps your body unwind. Lie comfortably on your back and allow your whole body to relax while breathing slowly and enjoying complete peace and stillness. You did an amazing job, and I'm proud of you. Let's catch up later in a new yoga episode. Bye!